Hello, Chanda. Are you going to join the Katina ceremony this weekend? Sasday Chantia, na nang cholum piti Kathin chung sa padarni te? Yes, of course. I always join the Katina ceremony every year. Mat prakot na, Kim cholum piti Kathin ring rol chnam? That's great. Where will it be held this year? Laona, chnam ni piti ng prarop na aina? It will be held at Wat Phnom Sop in Battambang Province. Winang prarop na Wat Phnom Srok khat Battambang? How far is that from your home? Piptianya ta Wat nu chngai panman? It's about 10 kilometers away. I'll go there with my family. Prahaldap kilomat. Kiam nang tay chumutrusa bakyom? Do you know what Katina means? Tanya dang tay tapik Kathin minay duit maday? Yes, Katina is a Buddhist ceremony to offer robes to monks after the rainy retreat. But bun Kathin chi piti put sasna dambay twai sumlit bumpiak dol presang bantop pichol prewusa. Oh, I see. So it's an important religious event. Oh, kyang yol hai. Vichi piti sasna samkhan moy. Exactly. It shows generosity and gratitude to the monks. Tram trahai. Vi banghan pi ka thua tien nung ka karup dol persong. What time will the ceremony start? Piti nung chapada maung punman? It will start early in the morning, around 7 o'clock. When nung chapadang pelpruk prohel maung pampi? Do people wear traditional clothes? Tamanu nang slit samlit bompiak propay te? Yes, most people wear white shirts and traditional skirts. Bad, manupi ikran slit aw poso nang samput propay nay? That sounds beautiful. Do you also bring offerings? Sdap mo sros at na. Tanya nom yo wato twai to pong te? Of course, we prepare food, robes, candles, and other things for donation. Cha, yen trim aha, samlit bampia, tien, nung watop same samrap twai. How do people usually go there? Ta manu thomda to tinu da rabiep na? Many people go by car or motorbike. Some even walk if it's nearby. Manu chichran to darut yun rumoto mien moi chung nuan dao to prasan bao nơi chit. Is there any music during the ceremony? Tamien tuntri no pelbonte? Yes, traditional music is played to make the event joyful. But, mien tuntri propay nay, damay tuwa ay piti sabay rigriye. I love Cambodian traditional music. Kung saralang tuntri propay nay Khmer na? Me too. It makes the ceremony more lively. Knyam ko dutniya. Viet po ay piti mien piep ro rabok. Are there speeches from monks? Damien prasang atiboy so trute? Yes, monks usually give Dhamma talks to remind people about morality. But, prasang picharan atiboy thoa dambay rumluk manu pisay la thoa. That's very inspiring. Wiya bandal ay min kachat sabay chat na. True, It helps people to understand the value of good deeds. ត្រឹមត្រូវហើយវាជួយឲ្យមនុស្សយល់ពីតម្លៃនៃការធ្វើល្អ Do children also join the ceremony? តើកុមារផងដែរចូលរួមទេ Yes, parents usually bring their children to learn about Buddhism. But ម្ដាយបិតានាំកូនទៅរៀនអំពីពុទ្ធសាសនា That's wonderful. It keeps our tradition alive. ល្អណាស់វារក្សាប្រពៃណីរបស់យើងឲ្យនៅតែតទៅ Exactly. Kathina promotes unity and faith among people. ត្រឹមត្រូវហើយបុណ្យកឋិនលើកទឹកចិត្តឲ្យមានភាពរួបរួមនិងជឿជាក់ How long does the ceremony last? ពិធីនេះមានរយៈពេលប៉ុន្មានម៉ោង It lasts about half a day, but some people stay until noon. ប្រហែលកន្លះថ្ងៃប៉ុន្តែមនុស្សខ្លះនៅរហូតដល់ពេលថ្ងៃត្រង់ Do they have lunch after the ceremony? តើមានអាហារថ្ងៃត្រង់បន្ទាប់ពីពិធី Yes, everyone shares food together at the temple. But មនុស្សទាំងអស់ចែករំលែកអាហារថ្ងៃនៅវត្ត That sounds so friendly. វាស្ដាប់មកស្និទ្ធស្នាលមក Yes, it creates happiness and harmony in the community. But វាធ្វើឲ្យមានសុភមង្គលនិងសាមគ្គីក្នុងសហគមន៍ What kind of food do they serve? តើពួកគេបម្រើអាហារអ្វីខ្លះ There is rice, curry, noodles, fruits and desserts. មានបាយសម្លមីផ្លែឈើនិងបង្អែម I love Khmer desserts like num and som and num kum. ខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់បង្អែមខ្មែរដូចជា num and som និង num kum. They usually prepare those too. ពួកគេជាញឹកញាប់ត្រៀមបង្អែមទាំងនោះដែរ Do people donate money as well? តើមនុស្សក៏បរិច្ចាគប្រាក់ផងទេ Yes, people give money according to their ability. But មនុស្សបរិច្ចាគប្រាក់តាមសមត្ថភាព That's very generous. វាជាអំពើសុពលរកណាស់ Indeed, it's a way to make merit and spread kindness. ត្រូវហើយវាជាវិធីមួយដើម្បីធ្វើបុណ្យនិងចែករំលែកមេត្តា What do monks do after receiving the robes? តើព្រះសង្ឃធ្វើអ្វីបន្ទាប់ពីទទួលសម្លៀកបំពាក់ They bless everyone and pray for peace and happiness. ពួកព្រះសង្ឃអធិស្ឋានពរនិងសូមអភ័យសុខសាន្តដល់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា That's so touching. វាជារឿងដែលប៉ះចិត្តណាស់ Yes, everyone feels peaceful after the ceremony. But មនុស្សទាំងអស់មានអារម្មណ៍ស្ងប់ស្ងាត់បន្ទាប់ពីពិធី Have you ever helped organize the Kathina ceremony? តើអ្នកធ្លាប់ជួយរៀបចំពិធីកឋិនទេ Yes, I helped decorate the temple last year. But ខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ជួយតុបតែងវត្តនៅឆ្នាំមុន That must be fun. តើធ្វើទៅសប្បាយណាស់ Yes, it was a great experience for me. But វាជាបទពិសោធន៍ដ៏ល្អសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំ I want to join and help this year too. ខ្ញុំក៏ចង់ចូលរួមជួយនៅឆ្នាំនេះដែរ You're very welcome. We need more volunteers. សូមស្វាគមន៍ណាស់យើងត្រូវការអ្នកស្ម័គ្រចិត្តបន្ថែមទៀត What should I bring? តើខ្ញុំគួរនាំអ្វីទៅ You can bring food, flowers, or candles for the offering. អ្នកអាចនាំអាហារ ផ្កាឬទៀនសម្រាប់ថ្វាយ I'll bring some fruit and desserts. ខ្ញុំនឹងនាំផ្លែឈើនិងបង្អែមមួយចំនួនទៅ That's perfect. The monks will appreciate it. ល្អមែនតើព្រះសង្ឃនឹងសរសើរជាខ្លាំង Thank you for explaining about Katina, Chanda. អរគុណដែលបានពន្យល់អំពីបុណ្យកឋិនចន្ទា You're welcome, Sophia. I hope you can join us. មិនអីទេ Sophia ខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកនឹងមកចូលរួមជាមួយយើង I'll definitely come. See you at the temple. ខ្ញុំនឹងមកជាជាមិនខានជួបគ្នានៅវត្ត See you there. Don't forget your offering. ជួបគ្នានៅទីនោះកុំភ្លេចវត្ថុថ្វាយផងណា